Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project from Harborview to Yalos, the road is now open. And this is the road that we are driving on. This is what you call a game changer. Never before has this side of the island seen roads like this. Actually, there are few places in Jamaica that have roads like this. Job well done to China Harbour Engineering Company and job well done to the government, whichever one is responsible for this. Maybe both. This is an excellent job. So this road was recently opened by the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. So we are going to go through the opening of the road that recently happened. We're going to go through an article that gives more information on the opening. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, on Tuesday, February 6, 2024, opened the 4-lane highway from Harborview to Yalos Bridge in St. Thomas, which he has dubbed a corridor of development. The 17-kilometer roadway represents Part B2 of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, a flagship program of the government. Delivering the keynote address at the opening ceremony in Bull Bay, Mr. Holness pointed out that this is the largest investment in St. Thomas since the Morant Bay Rebellion and serves as a testament that the parish is at the forefront of the government's agenda. St. Thomas is witnessing a remarkable change in its infrastructure, particularly its roadways and public facilities. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is a key catalyst for this transformation. The highway is set to enhance economic foundations of St. Thomas, offering numerous opportunities for its residents, he noted. The Prime Minister outlined that this leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is much more than a new road, as it will significantly enhance critical infrastructure such as the widening and realigning of the existing road to make it safer and more efficient, and the upgrading of drains. The Prime Minister urged residents to report any challenges they may encounter in their use of the highway. The road will be watched and studied carefully over its lifetime, but intensely in the first 2 years of its operation, because this is when you begin to understand water flows. That is when you begin to develop models of patterns so you can know where to put in a drain, which drain needs to be expanded, if an embankment needs to be built, he pointed out. So that is the end of the update. So guys, what do you think of this road? This is definitely one of the nicer roads built in Jamaica. And something to note, you don't have to pay toll to use this road. This road is free to use. So that is definitely a plus for the parishes of St. Thomas and Portland. Now to get from Kingston to Bull Bay, it's 4 minutes. 4 minutes from the Harborview roundabout to the Bull Bay roundabout. That is a game changer. The amount of economic benefit that is coming to St. Thomas, especially Bull Bay. You have the Morant Bay Urban Center being built. You have hotels being built in Bull Bay. Hotels. You have luxury developments going up in Bull Bay. This road is definitely a game changer. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.